COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch is a well-loved skincare product that targets one of the most common skin concerns, acne and pimples. In this video, we'll be diving into the benefits of the Acne Pimple Master Patch, guiding you on how to use it effectively and sharing the crucial do's and don'ts to maximize its benefits. The COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch is a K-beauty innovation designed to combat pimples and acne. These hydrocolloid patches create a moist environment, promoting faster healing and preventing bacteria spread. They act as a protective cover, reducing the urge to pick at pimples, which can lead to scarring or further infection. They work best on whitehead pimples rather than cystic acne. So here's how to use this in your routine. You want to start by cleansing your skin to remove any impurities. Then you need to ensure that your skin is completely dry because you need to ensure the patch can actually adhere to the skin properly. You're then going to select a patch size that is slightly bigger than the pimple or blemish itself, so it covers it completely. Peel it off from the sheet, and then you're going to gently apply the patch over the pimple. You want to leave it on for several hours or overnight for best results, and you'll start to notice the patch starts to turn white as it absorbs the pus and any impurities. Then go ahead with the rest of your skincare routine, but you want to avoid applying any skincare over the patch area. There are some crucial do's and don'ts when it comes to using the Acne Pimple Master Patch from COSRX. Firstly, do make sure that you apply it on clean, dry skin for optimal adhesion. Do leave the patch on for as long as possible, preferably overnight for maximum effectiveness. Don't apply any skincare product under the patch, as this can actually prevent it from sticking properly. And don't reuse a patch. Once removed, dispose of it and apply a new one if needed. The COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch is a must-have for anyone dealing with pimples or are a sucker for picking their pimples. Its innovative approach to acne care simplifies the healing process, making it an essential part of your skincare routine if you do get the blemish here and there. But if you're experiencing more severe acne, pimple patches won't cut it. Check out this video here next to learn what to do.